Hi everyone, I hope you well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew and everything that each and every one of you do. Okay, so with XRP, you're fully aware of our future forecasts here, and we are going through this correction right now, which is part and parcel of crypto. Unfortunately, there is a couple of nice indicators here that I'm liking. Potentially painting a bottom here for Bitcoin, for XRP. Sorry, if we do continue to roll, you've got our targets which we've given you. Okay, if you lose support, go short, and potentially forming that deep two-wave pullback right there for XRP. Do put some bids in at 041512. Okay, hopefully that holds. As you can see, it's a Fibonacci extension retracement level right there of the 0382. Okay, and obviously if you do lose that, then obviously you got another level right there. But I just want to show you something that's quite good for XRP. So basically, we may be on the cusp of forming a hidden bullish divergence here for XRP. If it does continue to roll, okay, because just here, this is the RSI, okay, the relative strength index, and obviously this is your price action up here above. So what I'm going to do is draw a trend line just here that XRP is sort of adhering to. Let's say it does come down to this particular level here. Let's say theory based, okay, we do have another roll in the market, and we do have another potential correction of around about 30% for XRP. It will look bad, obviously we're rolling over a losing key level of support right there, but if it holds, you can see that the RSI will actually come down as well, and in the RSI you will be forming something called a hidden bullish divergence, because in the price action just here on the weekly time frame, okay, you're making a low and a higher low, but in the RSI you're making a low and a lower low. Potentially, this is a potential play, and this is a reversal signal right here. Just like here, where you've got the bearish divergence, where in the price action you made a low and a higher high. Do you see that? So you made a lower high and a higher high, but then in the RSI you made a higher high and a lower high, and that's called a bearish divergence. And you can see that played. Do you see that? It rolled over, the market rolled, and right now you could be on the cusp of forming a hidden bullish divergence. And okay, and it's a reversal signal. And the bigger time frames it happens on, it gives more confidence to the fact that it happens. Okay, it's a really good indicator, so do pay attention to this, because potentially, like I said to you in yesterday's video, the bottom is very, very close for XRP at the moment. So on the weekly time frame, do anticipate this potential play. At the moment, okay, it is still relatively we've got a low and a higher low, so at the moment it is still sort of adhering to a trend. But if this does start to roll over anymore and the RSI goes with it, you can see potentially you bottoming out at this sort of level right here for XRP, and in the RSI you may potentially form that lower low just there, and that is a really good indicator just there, a reversal. So do anticipate that the bottom is close for XRP. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, the bottom is very close, the reversal in the market is coming, and it is close. Okay, so watch this space. Again, not got a crystal ball, but that's a really good indicator we look for on in charting. Okay, so yeah, hidden bullish divergence, not quite playing out yet, but you can imagine if we do start to lose support here for XRP and close the week out below 061809, this way you see hitting your head, come back to support, get the bounce here, and this could be the local low for XRP in this market right here. Okay, and this could create this hidden bullish divergence continuation signal right there for XRP. So that's just something I wanted to bring to your attention today for XRP. Okay, so I'm just going to jump into the hourly time frame right now and see what we can see for XRP. Oh, and sorry, before I quickly jump into the hourly time frame, there is another key signal which I've shown you. I've made a previous video before about this particular signal. Okay, the stock RSI is in the floor, which is always indicative of a bottom as well. So do anticipate that this green line here is also a fantastic area to put some cheeky bids in if you do see the rollover, okay, which will tie up with our technical analysis here of a potential low of 041512 for XRP, and that might be the absolute low in this bull market for XRP. But again, not financial advice, not got a crystal ball, but do come to your charts and just take a look at the stock RSI, okay, and you can see that every time it comes to that green line in its history, okay, look, in the history of XRP since its inception 2014, this is always indicative of the low and the bottom. So you can see with that, just looking at it, where you've potentially got more downside to go for XRP before you do find the true bottom. Okay, so again, it might not happen, but it's something that we're anticipating and we're looking at, and potentially forming that hidden bullish divergence as well. If we do start to roll, it is actually quite a positive signal of reversal in the market right there. Okay, so yeah, I'll jump into the hourly time frame for you on XRP then. then. So looking at the hourly time frame for XRP then, you can see we're broken out this level of resistance right here, which is good. Obviously in the short term it's relatively good, but in the long term we do have a bit of a projection. If we can't see the week out above that key level of support right there, which is 0.61 cents, if you do start to see XRP close below that, there's more confidence of the fact that you are potentially coming lower in this market, okay, forming that bottom that we're looking for, obviously. Now on the hourly time frame it's just a bit of chop, bit of sideways action right there, but this is quite good that we've broken out this level of resistance. We've broke up, we've ran into another level of resistance right there, which is obviously you've got a support there, double M top, and this WW bottom which you failed to break. Do you see that? So what you do need to see now obviously is if XRP does roll, hold this line as support, because if it doesn't hold this particular trend line as support, this way you may come back into the channel, coming back down to retest this low. If this holds here, this particular support, because resistance gets turned into support, you're fully aware of that, okay? So if this gets held as support, this way you could see the pickup and XRP potentially coming back up to retest this high just here, okay? And at that point, this is where you could see the continuation of the roll for XRP, because at the moment you are in a downtrend. There's no avoiding that. Until you start painting the reversal patterns just here for XRP, which you're not at the moment. At the moment, the trend is your friend. You're in a downtrend, unfortunately. You're coming down to test key level support, and hopefully, you know, if this holds, great, but you are under a key level of resistance support right now. If you see the week out under that, you are looking to come down to that previous level of support on the Fibonacci, the 0382 right there, which I've taught you that, okay, on the weekly time frame. If in doubt, always zoom out. So what we're going to do is look at the daily time frame, okay, and you can see that what we're looking for, just like I've said on Bitcoin, okay, if you don't want to time the bottom perfectly, the main signal that you're looking for, a reversal of the trend, is really simple. It's break this key level of resistance right here, this yellow line, which is the daily 20 EMA. Get your ass above that, back to the support, then get your ass above the 55, hold that as support as well, create this bullish cross, okay, on the daily time frame. That's your buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid right there. That's the continuation tick to the upside for XRP in this market. Until we get that sort of signal, then, you know, just sit on your hands, so to speak, because you can see when we do get that signal, okay, after a capitulation event, we start to come up, get back above the EMAs. It's a fantastic entry point, okay? You get that signal, boom, you're off to the races here for XRP. And this is where potentially you're going to start to see that extension right there come into play, and this Fibonacci extension price predictions start to come fruitful for XRP once we find this bottom. And just like I've shown you in the earlier segment of the video, you know, we're looking for that bottom signal, and hopefully we can find it right now with that divergence and the retest of the stock RSI, the absolute low, okay, and then obviously that bounce off that particular trend line in the RSI in itself. So until we start to get them signals, unfortunately the trend is your friend. You're in a bearish cross for XRP, you're coming up, you're hitting your head until you start making them reversal signals, okay, you are under the cosh and you are coming lower to test key levels of support, unfortunately. But it is what it is, and hopefully it offers a fantastic entry point for those looking to get involved, because we do anticipate a two-part bull run here for crypto and especially XRP. And, you know, towards the latter part of the year as well, we've got the result of the SEC case right here. So unfortunately it is what it is. It's chop, it's sideways, but hopefully it offers a fruitful opening for those that are looking to take entry into the markets right here. So yeah, that's XRP, a little update for you. We're anticipating those signals. Tomorrow I give more trades on the hourly time frame, but today it is what it is. Unfortunately, we are in a downtrend, and until we start to see us break these levels of resistance on the daily, the 20 EMA, you know, you can take advantage of shorting the resistance basically and longing the support. So take care tomorrow. Take care everyone. I'll be back tomorrow with another XRP update. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay tuned. Bye bye.